Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get a new Bitcoin address on Coinbase in 5 simple steps. Step 1. Log into Coinbase. Open the Coinbase app or go to the Coinbase website and log into your account. Step 2. Navigate to your Bitcoin wallet on the app. Tap on the Assets tab at the bottom of the screen, then select Bitcoin or BTC from your asset list. On the website, go to the Assets tab on the left-hand side and then click on Bitcoin or BTC. Step 3. Generate a new address. In the Bitcoin wallet section, look for the Receive button and tap or click on it. You will see your current Bitcoin address displayed. To generate a new address, tap on the refresh icon or the button that says Get a New Address. Step 4. The new Bitcoin address will be displayed. You could copy this address to your clipboard by tapping or clicking on the copy button. You can also use the QR code provided if you need to scan the address. Step 5. Use the new address. Share this new address with the sender or use it to receive Bitcoin from other wallets or exchanges. This new address can now be used to receive Bitcoin directly to your Coinbase account. Note that you could generate multiple addresses and all funds sent to any of these addresses will be credited to your Bitcoin wallet on Coinbase.